Today we are going to review this watch copter 2.0. This is a remote controlled helicopter suitable for 8 plus years. It is a toy basically. So with this you will get this type of helicopter and this remote control watch which you can wear on the wrist. To run this you will need two AAA 1.5 volt batteries. Here we have got this manual, some paperwork, that's it. So this is remote control, this is in watch shape. So here you have to install two AAA batteries 1.5 volt, so we have installed that already. So this is the helicopter. You have to charge this when you are running it for the first time. It will take almost 1 hour to get full charge. This looks like this. So this has costed us almost 10 pounds, suitable for 8 plus years. So here you will get on a button for this, and this is a charging port. This you can charge with mini USB type charger. You will get the cable with this for charging it, and you can charge it with any USB port. This goes here and you can charge it with any USB device or your charger. So to run this is the on off button. So if you push it on, it will start rotating, and with this watch you can control this. You can stop and start it. You will press once, it will stop. You press once, it will start. And these buttons for speeding up, slow down. So now we will see that how does this function in flying. बंद कर दिया है, चलो चला दिया. Not working properly. So we have reviewed this. They are seeing some misfunctionality with this. So this is not working properly. So while purchasing these for your kids, be careful.
What's
that
the problem?
It may not work properly. I think there is some problem with the sensor. While it's switching it on, it works immediately, and after when I'm functioning with this is not working. So there seems some problem with the remote of this. It should work, but it is not working, and it's also not flying properly. It is going in one direction only. So you can purchase some other types of helicopters or drones available for your kids, which are with multifunctional remotes. So this doesn't have much function to control it in the air, so this doesn't look a good device to me. It's not worth it for price. You can get a good other toys in the market which are more cheaper and works more properly. Okay, bye bye.